Hello explorers, welcome to the farm. All our lovely music has made the vegetables and fruits grow.
Great job, explorers! Keep going!
Let's head into the kitchen, Barnaby.
Great idea!
Welcome. The bok choy and tomato reminds me of another element of music.
Form is the order of music.
The burger will help us to remember two important words. There is a burger bun at the bottom and also at the top. In the middle are delicious goodies. The burger bun at the bottom and the top are the same, whilst the wonderful goodies in the middle, they're different. The bok choy and tomato are definitely different. They're perfect to teach us about binary form. Binary form of music has two different sounding parts. Let's think about the bok choy as being the first part of the music. We'll call it the A section. And the tomato is the other part of the music that sounds different. We'll call that section the B section. Turn on those listening ears. Let's listen to an example of binary form.
The tomatoes part sounds definitely different from the bok choy's part. It's playtime!
Perform the rhythms using body percussion or classroom instruments. Repeat each rhythm 8 times. Remember your dynamic markings.
Girls, take a look at your rhythm. Boys, take a look at your rhythm. Let's play binary form. Get your classroom instruments or body percussion actions of your choice.
Take a look at your rhythm, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beat, shh, orange beat. Beat, shh, orange beat. Keep going. Good job. Boys, take a look at your rhythm. Go! Melon, melon. Crescendo, boys.
Crescendo! Crescendo!
Great job. Let's have a dance party. Keep up the great work, explorers. What have we learned today? Form is another element of music. It's the order of music. Binary form is an example of a type of form. It has two different parts. We can remember its parts by using the bok choy and tomato. See you next time.
Don't forget